Hi, I'm Brian Burke. I designed and built the Woodie's Bloom 2019 show garden. It's called connectivity. There's another aspect to this whole notion of connectivity, to the outside world, to the world outside the back window, the back garden that's been neglected, and it's that connection that our garden seeks to redevelop and nurture within our children. We're exploring the ideas about physically challenging our children. So we have an upper deck. It's essentially a two-story garden. The kids have to forage and learn a way up a ladder, across a gantry, onto a roof deck, down another ladder, into a centralised hub where they can congregate and socialise in large numbers. There's an outside perimeter planting trough constructed at kid height where a kid can get their hands in, get dirty, maybe plant some vegetable seeds. So it's creating a very dynamic, immersive environment, showcasing various little snippets or vignettes of the natural world. So we're exposing our children to these little snippets of what nature is really like. I think this garden is very compatible with Woodie's values, the Woodie's brand, because there's no large bespoke items, there's no big steel structures, there's no big stone structures. It's all timber, readily available, readily accessible materials and techniques. Anybody could have a go at this over a period of successive weekends over summer if they had some spare time. Or even little snippets of it, little vignettes of it, like the planters, like aspects of the structure, aspects of the tower, aspects of the planting. It's all very doable, so it's a great fit and very compatible with the whole Woodie's ethos. Bloom 2019 has been a roaring success. Thanks very much for all the positive engagement, all the positive feedback and all the kind comments. We'll see you again in Bloom 2020.